In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Velo in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio and make sure you are inside the editor for the project you want to work on. This is important because Velo is accessed from within your site workspace, where you can add and manage code directly alongside your design elements. Once your site is open, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded so the tools you need are visible and ready to use. Next, look over to the left-hand primary tool menu in your Wix Studio workspace. This is where many of the core editing and building options are located. So if you are new to the interface, it's a good area to become familiar with. From this menu, click Quick Add. This option lets you insert different kinds of elements into your site, including design components, layout tools, and code-related features. After clicking Quick Add, find and click the code icon. It looks like curly brackets with a slash inside. Like this, closing and opening code symbols. This icon is the one that gives you access to coding features in Wix Studio, including Velo tools that allow you to build more advanced functionality into your site. If you don't spot it immediately, just scan the Quick Add panel carefully, since the layout may vary slightly depending on your workspace. Once you click the code icon, continue by selecting the option to enter code from the Add Code area. This opens the coding section where you can start working directly with your site's code. At this stage, you are essentially entering the Velo environment, where you can add custom logic and extend what your site can do beyond standard visual editing. From here, start your code in the Available Code area. This is where you will write or paste the code you want to use for your site feature or function. As you work, it's a good idea to review what you've entered carefully, especially for formatting and syntax, since even small mistakes can affect how the code runs. When you are finished, click Update to apply your changes. This saves the code entry and makes sure your latest edits are included in the site setup. After updating, you can continue testing or refining your site as needed within Wix Studio. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.